Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create and customize a stacked bar chart in Power BI. The title of this video is How to Create and Customize a Power BI Stacked Bar Chart, and I'll walk you through every step. First, make sure your dataset is loaded into Power BI. In this example, we're using a sample Excel sheet with categories like countries and product counts. To create the stacked bar chart, click on the Stacked Bar Chart icon in the Visualizations pane. Drag your category field to the y-axis and your value field to the x-axis. Then drag any subcategory you want to stack onto the Legend field. Power BI will generate a basic stacked bar chart showing totals broken down by your subcategories. Now we can customize the chart. Click on the Format icon under Visualizations. For the y-axis values, change the font to Cambria, size to 12, bold the text, and set the color to black. For the y-axis title, type Countries. Set the font to Verdana, size 15, bold, and color black. For the x-axis values, also use Cambria, size 12, bold, color black, and set decimal places to 1 if needed. For the x-axis title, type Product Count. Font Verdana, size 15, bold, and color black. Next, format the legend. Change its position to center left. Use Segway UI Bold for the font. Set the font size to 13 and color black. You can also adjust the axis positions, data labels, and bar colors as needed to make your chart more readable and visually appealing. And that's how you create and customize a stacked bar chart in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI tips and tricks.